Hello, everyone! Are you looking for easy, delicious, and high-protein recipes? Look no further. I have 10 recipes that are perfect for anyone looking to manage their weight, build muscle, or just eat healthier. The best part? They are all very simple to make and require minimal ingredients. Let's get started. At number 10, we have Greek yogurt with berries. This is a high-protein snack that is perfect for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. It is also very versatile. You can add nuts, seeds, fruits, or granola for extra protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Number 9, cottage cheese with pineapple. This is a delicious and high-protein snack that is perfect for those looking to manage their weight or build muscle. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein, and pineapple adds a sweet and tangy flavor. At number 8, we have chicken breast with roasted vegetables. This is a balanced and nutritious meal that is high in protein and fiber. Chicken breast is a lean source of protein, and roasted vegetables add flavor and nutrients. Number 7, shrimp scampi with zucchini noodles. This is a low-carb, high-protein recipe that is perfect for those looking to lose weight or improve their overall health. Shrimp scampi is made with zucchini noodles instead of pasta. At number 6, we have salmon with quinoa and steamed vegetables. This is a well-balanced and nutritious meal that is high in protein and healthy fats. Salmon is a great source of protein in quinoa, and steamed vegetables add fiber and nutrients. No, 5 is turkey chili. This is a high-protein, fiber, and nutrient-dense soup that is perfect for a cold day. Turkey is a lean source of protein, and chili is packed with fiber and vitamins. At no. 4, we have beef and broccoli stir-fry. This is a quick and easy meal that is high in protein and vegetables. Beef is a great source of protein, and broccoli adds fiber and nutrients. No. 3 is black bean burgers. These are high-protein, fiber, and nutrient-dense burgers that are perfect for vegetarians or those looking to reduce their meat intake. Black beans are a great source of protein and fiber. At no. 2, we have pork tenderloin with mashed, sweet potatoes, and green beans. This is a delicious and nutritious meal that is high in protein and fiber. Pork tenderloin is a lean source of protein, and sweet potatoes and green beans add fiber and nutrients. And finally, at no. 1, our top high-protein diet recipe is chicken parmesan with cauliflower rice. This is a low-carb, high-protein version of the classic dish chicken parmesan. Cauliflower rice is a great substitute for pasta or potatoes. So there you have it, 10 easy and delicious high-protein recipes that are perfect for a healthy diet. Try them out and let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Thanks for watching!